Good day everyone. I'm Ryan Ramirez, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology in iSpace Santa Maria Campus. In today's video, I'll read our BMGO and iSpace SIM. Vision, a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission, to improve the lives of people and communities through quality instructions, innovations, productivity, initiative, environment and industry, feasible technologies, resource mobilization and transformational outreach program and service. BSIT goal, the program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well-versed in application, installation, maintenance, and operation development, and administration. It also engages them lifelong learning endeavors, contributing to research, extension, and resource generation in the field of information technology. BSIT objectives, to practice in advanced human resource in the field of information technology, specifically in the development, industry maintenance, operation, and management of information technology. To develop students with critical thinking through research and extension activities. To strengthen values which are desirable in the information technology profession and the common good. Dreams and visions within the minds of the nobles. Please stay slow. Men, those wisdom and honor, molded pride of society. Piercing victorious praises. Marcosur Polytechnic State College. In our alma mater. Realize build close to very heart. The is for all. Light and night, shining armor, guiding star, serving soul. We sing victorious praises. Marcosur Polytechnic State College, at the place where we belong. Long life alma mater. Your peace to provide us with intelligence, defense, there wherever we are, God's greater heights. We will serve God and follow Him. For certain we will shine. We sing victorious praises. Marcosur Polytechnic State College. Long live in alma mater. Long live in alma mater. Long live in SP.